Hey there, Chad Bonner here for Ohio University Libraries. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use SimplyAnalytics to create a quick report, which will give you basic demographic and economic information for locations that you choose. This video is part of my SimplyAnalytics Tips and Tricks video series, which complements my Tips and Tricks guides for SimplyAnalytics, which is linked below. So this video shows you how to create a quick report pretty quickly in SimplyAnalytics. So here you go. When you first log on to SimplyAnalytics, I encourage you to click this link to create an account. The advantage of creating an account is that when next time you sign in with your email address and your password that you create with SimplyAnalytics, it will remember what you're working on last time. You're welcome to sign in as a guest, but again, it won't remember what you're working on. So that's the advantage of creating an account with SimplyAnalytics. When you first log in, you'll get a nice tutorial from SimplyAnalytics, but the next time you log in, you'll get the option to do a new project. And basically, because SimplyAnalytics is location-based, this is where you want to type in your location. So I'm just going to choose a few cities for my example here. So I'm going to do Chattanooga, Tennessee, which is my hometown. I will do Memphis. I lived there for a few years in college. And I will also do Knoxville, which is where I went to college and graduate school. So once you do that and you're satisfied with your list of let's do Nashville just for comparison. So in this case, we'll do Nashville there. And then once we do that, we click Next, and it gives you some what they call seed variables. That's because they don't want to leave you empty-handed with no data to look at when you first get started. So I usually choose population. I usually don't, unless I'm doing some kind of home industry. I usually don't care about the housing, but I do like educational attainment and household income information. So once you do that and create project, it's going to open up to your first city. In this case, it's opening up Chattanooga, Tennessee. But where I want you to start with is looking at a quick report. And what the quick report will give you is a basic rundown of key demographic information comparing those cities to the USA. So it's a great way to get a great snapshot really quickly of your cities or locations that you're comparing. And what's nice about this, you can go down through here and see what kind of variables are available to add. And so let's say we scroll down and we say, well, you know what, I really want to look at, create a comparison table with some other data, which we'll do in our next video. And you can go down and start basically adding variables to look at a more granular detail in our comparison table. So let's just grab a few here, and we'll look at these in our next video. I also like to look at educational attainment, particularly as it pertains to purchasing power and that sort of thing. So we may go through and add things about college educated and stuff like that. Basically, it's a way that you can kind of get a real good information for your communities that you're looking to do business in. You can also go up here and export this as an Excel file or a PDF as well. It's a great way to kind of download the data and use it for or information for other purposes. Hopefully this video helped you better understand how to use SimplyAnalytics. Make sure you check out my other videos about using SimplyAnalytics as well as my tips and tricks guide linked below. Take care and best of luck with your research.